Hello everyone, I Simranjeet Kaur on behalf of BCA Group of Colleges welcome you all. Today I would like to talk about communication and its types. First of all, we would discuss what communication is. Communication is the exchange of ideas from one person to another. It is the exchange of information and views of one person to the other person. Modes of communication. Communication can be based on style and it can be based on the types of communication channels used. So here we have categorized the type of communication into two categories, the channels used and the style. Channel based communication can be based on channel. It can be verbal and non-verbal. Verbal, it's further categorized into oral, written and visual communication. What oral communication is? The first category is the oral communication. Communication which occurs orally, that is oral communication. It can occur in the form of speech and face to face. When we talk to other person face to face, then that is the form of oral communication. We can also communicate orally in the through telephone, etc. That is and oral communication is very easy as we are used to speaking to other people in day-to-day life, so it makes the oral communication very easy for everyone. Another form of verbal communication is written communication. As the name indicates, it is in the form of writing. When we have to present something in record or to maintain a record of something, and when a complex information is to be communicated, then we use the written form. Written form has its own advantages, like when we communicate something in written, then it has a permanent record and we can preserve it to be used in the later future. Another form and the last form is visual communication. What visual communication is? Visual is something which we present when we present our information in the form of diagrams, charts, pie charts, etc. Visual communication is used when we have to present our data like statistics or etc. in a more simple form to make something complex very simple. Visual communication makes the communication very effective, and for the other person it is very easy to understand by seeing the graphs and the diagrams. Now we would like to talk about the style based communication. Communication can also be based on style. And based on style, we have two types of communication. One is the formal and the other is the informal communication. Formal, as the name suggests, it has to follow a set rules. It has to occur in a set formal format. Formal communication generally occurs in businesses and companies, organizations, etc. Whereas the informal communication occurs in a day-to-day life when we communicate with our friends or colleagues. Formal communication has to follow set rules, a predestined path, so it is more rigid. But on the other hand, informal communication is easy to deliver and we do not have to follow a set rules, and it comes out easily to everyone. So today we have discussed about channel based and the style based communication. Both these communications are very much important in our day-to-day life. Thank you very much.